So, eto na.
Adventure!
So, hindi kami makauwi.
Adventure! Ayun na kayo, careful.
Hindi na kami makauwi kasi wala nang wala nang bus tsaka walang taxi. Tapos, yung metro na lang yung gumagana. Kaya lang yung ibang metro, flooded siya. Tapos yung sa bababaan naming metro, flooded din. So, wala ring bus doon. Hindi rin talaga kami makakauwi. So, nandito kami ngayon. Dito sa York. Merong murang hotel dito. Sa may Sharaptigi Metro Station. So, nag-book na lang kami. Oh my goodness. Dubai problem kapag umuulan. Yan, ganyan. Walang taxi. Napabiglang kami. Biglang liko. Yo!
It's good.
Hey Gavin, why we can go home?
Why can't we go home? Taxi is unavailable. Bus never come.
I know.
It's raining outside.
Yeah.
It's flooded.
It's flood.
Last time you saw me, I had
Flooded.
a green shirt. Now it's white. I had to take it off because it was soaking wet.
Yeah,
But my neck
This
is
one
safe.
wet.
See, look at that. Look at that. It's wet. Look at mom's hair.
Bukas na kami uuwi.
Oh, but
Ito muna kami. Lumabas lang kami para magpa-doktor. Hindi na lang ang balik. That's crazy.
that's crazy. We can't even go home, so we're checking.
Ano kung wala na pera?
So yan si Mami nasa loob na. Nag-check na siya ng nag-check-in na. So tulad nga ng sabi ko, na-stuck na kami dito sa may Sharaptigi. Kanina pa kami dito, nagpa-doktor lang kami, lumabas lang kami, nagpa-doktor. Tapos dumaan kami para kunin yung Emirates ID ni Mami. Hindi na kami nakabalik, ginabi na kami. So yan, nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng hotel. Nandito kami sa Balcona Island. Grabe, lakas ng ulan, no? Wow! Oh my God! Nasa 7th floor kami. Nandito kami sa Sharaptigi Metro Station. Katapat namin yung day to day. Ayan! Oh my God! Look at that! So talagang wala ng bus, wala ng taxing bumabiyahe. Yung metro na lang ang bumabiyahe. Mami. Pasilip-silip lang.
Ginawa.
Maginaw. So yan ha. Alam nyo na. Kapag umuulan, hindi na kayo lumabas. Oh my God, look at that. Wow! Amazing!
Ang lamig-lamig.
Diba?
Ang lamig-lamig. Ang lamig-lamig.
Oh, kumukulog-kulog-kulog kidlat pa.
Ginawa.
Wow! Kung curious kayo kung anong itsura ng loob nito, ayan, ito. Sa mga matatagal dito sa Dubai, na nakikita tong York International Hotel. Ayan, ito yung banyo. Okay din naman. Diba? Light lang. Shower. Ito. Meron mga cabinet. Oh.
Ano yung mga kamigayak?
Oo. Biglaan dito. Kapag check-in kami ng biglaan kasi nga hindi na kami nakauwi kahapon. Malakas ang ulan. Wala lang bus, wala lang taxi. Sarado ang metro.
Sarado? Baha?
Baha ang metro. So maglalakad kami kung maggagamit kami ng metro. May maliit na TV. So check natin yung labas. Hindi ko alam kung basa pa ba. Ay, hindi na. Tingnan na. Kami natulog siguro mga 7 pa lang. Kasi nga, pagod na kami kahapon. Kakahanap ng way para makauwi. Tapos, ang tingin si Mami, nabook niya to ng, magkano Mami? 95 dirhams, no? 95 dirhams. What the other fans, boy?
125 kasama yung tax and
Tax. 115.
150 plus yung
Yeah, yung parang tourism, something. Okay.
It's so easy because bago namatay ang cellphone ko,
Yeah.
nakapag-book ako right after na naglalakad na kayo puntang hotel.
Wow.
And
Kasi naghihintay kami ng bus doon sa
katapat lang talaga na pinag-aantay natin.
doon sa may ano ng day to day, naghihintay kami ng bus doon. Tagal namin naghintay. Ano yun, no? Mga 2 hours yun, no? Tapos palobat na aming lahat. Tapos nag-start na ulit lumakas yung ulan. Buti nakapasok tayo kasi grabe yung, di ba nung nakapasok tayo? Yun yung pinakamalakas, di ba? Good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa cafeteria. Hindi pa rin kami nakakauwi. Nag-aabang kami ng bus. Kaya kami dito pumesto kasi yung bus dito dumadaan. So, inaabangan namin kung mayroong 15. Tapos, ayun yung pinag-estayan namin. Yan, yung building na yan. York International. Doon kami sa dulo na yun. Yung pinaka-corner niya may balcony. Pa-check out lang kami. Hindi wala namin alam kung ano, kung makakauwi kami. Pero dadaan muna kami kila Memak. Dito lang yan sa mga 4 buildings na. 4 buildings away. So malapit lang. Hi kids! We're going! Sana makauwi na kami ngayon. Sarado na yung metro. Totally sarado na yung metro. Nabasa ko na yung bus ay operational pero selected lang yung yung area na nagbumabiyak. So, check din namin yun. Taxi, wala pa rin.
I'm still open.
Bye!
It's still
It's too much water.
Yeah, but at least some.
See, it's keep on pouring from that.
We're here na Algubayba bus station.
After like 2 days, we've been stranded in a hotel, and we just met Big Princess.
Princess, it's okay. That's all right. Here in the Algubayba metro stations, some of the bus are already working. We don't know if the bus we need is available. Daddy is asking in the information. We saw something that it says they're gonna be like 405. It's
1605.
1605, so 405. See? This is what we want. We don't know if it's true. So we will
Might
see.
be a little late on schedule.
If we're able to go through this. Oh no, Daddy just asked and there is no bus. Anak. So we're gonna go plan B. Nothing? Oh no.
So plan B it is.
So we're gonna go by plan B.
Wala to.
Huh?
Wala.
Oh no.
There's a taxi.
Parking ng taxi.
Oh, let's go. Let's go by taxi. Let's go to plan B.
Yep.
Okay, come on. Our next option, Jace, if the taxi will not bring us.
plan C.
What is the plan C?
Stay in, find a different room in the hotel.
That's true. That's our next plan. Plan C is to check into another hotel. I'm seeing some Westcott Hotel here. I don't know how much are these hotels, but let's see. What to do, Yani? Ano, what's the plan B? See? Yeah, this is what I'm saying. During this time, the companies are saying don't operate. Kasi sila nagko-cover ng charges pagka nasira yung sasakyan. Be trying to go different bus
Sa Dubai ba? Walang 15.
directly to home.
Yeah, sarado.
So, this is our adventure way back home.
So, mag-93 kami. Papunta na ang Mall of Emirates.
Okay, let's go. Let's try.
Going insane. Please help me.
Go with Daddy.
So, nag-try kami mag-book ng taxi. Sarado
No.
daw. Bahag.
We tried to do by even car lift doesn't want to accept
Tayo
us.
ng car lift. So, let's go.
So, our option is to go different routes. Akala ko ang plan C natin, we'll just check in again eh. Don't you want the plan C?
What's taxi?
We just check into hotel?
Na.
Na? There's museum here we can go to. Jace, hold daddy's hand. Let's see. And so the road is still.
Yeah, road closed. Left side road closed.
Because we are living in Al Khail Gate. No 15, no? We're trying our luck.
Someone today morning, yesterday they bring the duty. Today morning afternoon came for the white water. They cannot go. But they are parking.
So it's still flooded. No one to go on that area from here.
Even Satwa Road like that.
Satwa bus, you can go Satwa bus. 6:30 is there. 6:30.
Yeah, but from Satwa, there's still nothing that operates to Al Quoz area, no?
No, Alcos area now.
Okay.
6:30 उधर जाओ. उधर जाके आपको 3 नंबर स्टॉप पे उसके लगा. उस तरफ. वो
It's the road, Daddy. It's the area itself.
direction में उधर.
I know you wanted to go home. We're stranded since last night. We went check into the hotel because we couldn't go home.
Plan to go to Malapit. Because sa like bahay.
Hey, we ended up with plan C, which is checking in a hotel.
Yes.
And we are here in Westcott Hotel in Al Gubayba. Let's see their family room.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Jace is not there because he's sleeping. And I'm carrying while taking videos.
Wait.
Let's see, Daddy, go.
Ganda kaya? Oh! Okay. Oh, there's coffee.
I don't like yellow orange. Oranges.
Oh, no. That's it?
This is family room. Are you sure?
Are you sure this is family room?
At least the bathroom is kind of spacious.
Oh, huh.
There's a balcony.
What?
Is there a balcony?
No.
No balcony, but look.
Okay. Tiny room.
Tiny room.
Given that this is a family room.
Yes. We plan actually to go there, Queen Elizabeth. That's the
Yeah.
Queen Elizabeth.
That's it.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, that boat.
Yeah, that's
You
all.
don't want to go to Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, because it's hard, no? It's hard to go out.
Anyway, we are here. Chase is sleeping. I need to put him down.
Okay. Oh!
Daddy! Where are we? Creekside. Creekside. Jace, where are we, Jace?
In this place, we couldn't able to skate.
So?
So we just start going to hotels.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
And-
there's lots of hotels.
So?
We went to Princess, Baby Princess.
Go with Kuya. Check which food he wanted to eat. So this is Gubayba Creek at night time. There's a boat. Maybe we should ride the boat. Hi, Gavin. So we are stranded here in Al Gubayba. We decided to just check in the hotel because there are no other way. So
Oh, let's go there.
where? I'll go with Jess.
Let's
Jace.
go there like this.
So we're just gonna go a night stroll here in the Gubayba Marine train station, transport station. Kung meron nga lang papuntang Al Khail Gate ng bangka, we could
We
have
don't
gone.
have orange juice.
So, mag-dinner kami.
But
Tingnan natin kung ano
just
pwede kainin
at
na bata.
home.
Yeah. Back to hotel.
Ayan na, pauwi na kami. Ito yung ano namin, third attempt namin na na para umuwi. So, andito kami ngayon sa hotel. Medyo okay naman, pero sablay yung breakfast nila. So, hindi namin talaga na-enjoy. Including kasi yung breakfast dun sa kinuha namin. So, talagang hindi namin na-enjoy. As in, hindi talagang wala. So, wag na kayo dito Wag na kayo pupunta dito. Madali lang malocate tong tong hotel na to. Lang, yung corner lang, katapat ng Carrefour. Ayan. As in, katabing-katabi siya ng Gubayba bus station. So, wala Dito na kami na ito lang yung pinakamura na pwede naming okay na matuluyan. Tapos free breakfast pa. Kaya lang sumabla yung breakfast nila. So, wala.
Dubai Museum ba? Walking distance dito?
Dubai Museum.
Okay. Alright.
Pupunta mga kami Dubai Museum.
Supposedly, we will go yesterday.
Yes.
Kung hindi umulan, walang bagyo, it could have been yesterday.
So, punta muna kami doon. Kasi yung mga bata. Para isahan na. Total na. Dito na lang kami sa labas.
Kasi silang lessons about artifacts.
Yes. So dahil na rin kami, 3 days stuck na rin kami. Siyempre wala kami dalang damit. Bumili na lang kami. Outfit check! Outfit!
Come on, Jace!
Outfit! Ayan.
Hindi porket stranded.
Ayan,
Binili na.
Binili namin yan sa Trip Bazaar. Ayan. Yung mga
Shout out dyan, Trip Bazaar.
yung mga mall pull out nila, H&M, Anis, di ba?
Look at my outfit. This is 11 dirhams.
Yes. 17 dirhams.
Including the belt.
Yes.
Jace, 3 dirhams.
Yeah, 3 dirhams. 3 dirhams, dami.
Dirhams. Gavin, how much is Gavin's? I don't know what's
17 dirhams.
17 dirhams.
Okay,
And the pants,
so yan.
11 dirhams.
So, Trip Bazaar, shoutout sa inyo. Malaking tulong yung, yung mga damit nyo. So, win-win pa rin. Okay lang. Kahit para sa na-stock, pa rin.
God is good.
Yes.
Keep
Ayan. Keep positive. Ayan. Kanina, busit na ako pero pinilit kong maging kalmante kasi alam mo na, dapat masaya tayo lagi. Okay? See you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
We'll update you kung anong mangyayari later.
Sana makauwi na kami. Miss na namin
On our
yung
way
namin.
back home.
Bahay namin. So meron ng bus number 15. Ayun, kaalis lang yung bus. So may tinanong na rin ako kanina. Bumabiyahe na sila. So makakauwi na kami today.